So now, this is text 24. Prahlad Maharaj's prayers. Tasmad amustanubritam maham ashishagyan ayushriyam vivavam aindriyam avirinchyat nechami te vidulitan urvikramena kalatmanopanena mam nijabritya parshvam. In my Lord Nrsingadev, I have complete experience concerning worldly opulence, mystic power, longevity, and other material pleasures enjoyed by all living entities, from Brahma to the ant. That's powerful time. You destroy all these things. Because of my experience, I don't want to possess them. My dear Lord, I request you to place me in touch with your pure devotees and let me serve him as a sincere servant. Nija Britya Parshvam, the association of your faithful servant. Ekaleshwara Krishna Radharani. So the Brihad Bhagavatamrita explains that Prahlad Maharaj resides in Sutala Loka with his grandson Bali, which is a planet full of demons, not pure devotees. So by studying Bhagavatam, one can get experience like that of Prahlad Maharaj. So if someone is intelligent, will actually become concerned for the happiness of the soul, not the body. So Prahlad is praying here to be in touch with a pure devotee instead of giving him material opulence. Every intelligent man in the material world must follow Prahlad Maharaj. In other words, what's valuable is devotee association, not material opulence. So we can learn by hearing, or learn by experience, or learn by hearing the experience of others. So in this verse, we're learning by hearing the experience of Prahlad, who's had all these things, all these kinds of opulences. But they're not, a devotee is not concerned. Bhukti mukti siddhikami, sakalaya shanta, Krishna bhakta naishkama ateva shanta. Material opulence, bhukti mukti and siddhi has no concern for a devotee. He is peaceful, being free from all desire. So Prahlad rejected all these things. He simply wanted to be an apprentice, or a servant, or a disciple of a pure devotee. He goes on to explain how the material body is just a pain factory. There's no happiness here. And then he's appreciating his great special mercy. God, he said, Padmakara Prasad. Padmakara Prasad. Padmakara, your lotus. I got the mercy, the prasad of your lotus hand. Padmakara on my head. Even Brahma and Shiva or Lakshmi never got that fortune. You've been so kind to me, my Lord. Even though I was born in a demoniac family, you were so kind to me. So this is the meaning of causeless mercy. The causeless mercy of Krishna can be bestowed upon anyone, regardless of his position in the material world. Everyone can worship the Lord, irrespective of his material position. Madhvacharya comments that even Lakshmi Devi, the mother of the universe, could not get this Padmakara Prasad, this special mercy that was offered to Prahlad, even though she's a constant companion of the Lord. In other words, devotional service is so great that when it is offered, even by those born in low families, Lord Narayan accepts it as being more valuable than the service offered by a goddess of fortune. There's this tremendous mercy of the Lord.